Research methods as the practical instruments of scholarly inquiry and transformative teaching. Research methods are the concrete techniques and procedures employed to collect, analyze, and interpret data within a study's overarching methodological and design framework. They constitute the practical toolkit that enables researchers to operationalize their ontological, epistemological, axiological, and methodological commitments into systematic inquiry. Research methods address the question, what specific actions will the researcher take to generate credible knowledge? Methods vary widely depending on the nature of the research questions and philosophical orientations. Quantitative methods typically involve structured instruments such as surveys, standardized tests, or experiments to gather measurable data that can be statistically analyzed. For instance, a doctoral researcher examining the correlation between study habits and academic performance might administer a validated questionnaire and apply regression analysis. Qualitative methods, by contrast, focus on collecting rich, detailed data through interviews, focus groups, participant observation, or document analysis, aiming to understand meanings, experiences, and social contexts. A doctoral study exploring teachers' perceptions of curriculum reform might employ semi-structured interviews and thematic analysis. Mixed methods combine quantitative and qualitative techniques, allowing for triangulation and a more comprehensive understanding of complex phenomena, such as blending survey data with narrative accounts to examine educational equity. The choice and application of research methods must be consistent with the study's ontology, epistemology, and methodology to ensure coherence and rigor. For example, a critical realist approach might utilize survey data to identify structural patterns, complemented by qualitative interviews that reveal how individuals interpret and respond to those structures. In doctoral research, rigorous application of methods is essential for several reasons. First, clear articulation of methods supports transparency and replicability, enabling other scholars to assess validity and reliability or trustworthiness. Second, appropriate and ethical method selection safeguards participant rights and welfare, ensuring research integrity. Third, methodological rigor enhances the credibility and impact of findings, facilitating meaningful contributions to the field. Research methods also have direct relevance to transformative teaching practice. Just as researchers carefully select and apply methods to investigate knowledge claims, educators employ diverse pedagogical methods to facilitate learning and critical engagement. Transformative teaching methods such as collaborative group work, reflective journaling, case-based learning, and problem-posing dialogues engage students actively and promote deeper understanding. These teaching methods mirror research methods in their intentional design and ethical considerations, emphasizing participation, reflection, and empowerment. When doctoral research and teaching are anchored in rigorous, philosophically aligned research methods, they move beyond procedural formalities to become acts of ethical, reflective, and transformative engagement. Research methods thus serve as vital instruments that connect abstract theoretical commitments to practical knowledge creation and dissemination. Happy learning!